2003 Honda CB750 Nighthawk boasts a timeless design that pays homage to classic motorcycles of the past. Its clean lines, round headlights, and minimalist bodywork give it a retro appeal that remains stylish even today, making it a favorite among riders who appreciate vintage aesthetics. Honda's reputation for reliability shines through with the CB750 Nighthawk. Its bulletproof engine and durable components require minimal maintenance, providing peace of mind to riders who prioritize hassle-free ownership and worry-free riding. Hey, real quick, before getting back to the facts, I want to talk about our sponsor. It's us. We have an eBay store where we sell thousands of used parts for a ton of different makes and models. Plus, we have free shipping. Be sure to check us out and see if we have parts for your motorcycle by clicking the link in the description. The CB750 Nighthawk features a comfortable riding position with an upright seating posture and mid-set footbeds, offering a relaxed and natural stance for riders during long journeys. The ergonomic design minimizes fatigue and enhances comfort, allowing riders to enjoy extended rides without feeling strained or uncomfortable. Thanks for watching this time-lapse teardown. If you like this style of content, then you're sure to like some of the other videos that we've put out. Feel free to click one of these videos that are popping up, or if you want to see everything that we've done, it's easiest to just go to our channel here, and while you're there, you can click the subscribe button and like and comment on some of our stuff. We respond to all of the comments, and we really appreciate it. So go ahead and do that for us.